Okay, so today I just joined the server. I'm playing Basketball Legends. Probably until the end of the game. Well, wasn't pretty smart right there. And right now we're gonna try and win this game. And as you saw the video I took down of me getting 4,000 points. Well, now I have 4,078. I haven't been playing that much lately, so yeah. I just want us to win, honestly. And as long as there isn't any ball hogs, we're all good. Are you serious? Anyways, back at it. Trash shots. Nice. This guy thinks he's him. Bruh. I am not taking it out again, bro. Okay, that was my fault. I probably shouldn't have done that. I should have actually played defense. Oh my god, there's so much barking outside right now. Please just pass me the ball once. It's whatever, honestly. It's just a game, but still. Those who grind on this game, y'all can add me. Shout out to me, man, though. He's one of my subscribers. Also a content creator. And we're on the road to 25 subs, and right now we're at 23. Come on, come on. Yes, sir, yes, sir. I said three beam. I can't think right now. No. Bruh. We're down 18 already. We've only been playing for like 20. Okay, actually, I've only been playing since like 3 minutes, 38 seconds remaining, so. Okay, come on, come on. Come on, guys. Are we all just gonna camp the ball? Oh my god, bro. It's just annoying. Same thing with all the other games where you can just camp if you want to and the game won't care. Wish they would just ban that feature. It's kind of crazy how people can just camp. Oh my god, this dude's camping too on offense. Gosh. Technically, I'm not camping, even though, yes, I was pretty close to the half-court line. I'm not camping. Neither am I camping the ball. No wonder we're down 17 points. Well, come on, let's play a good D. Good D. When I mean D, I mean defense. Okay, guys. Yes, sir. It's a 3 bean. Okay. Oh, I was about to say it's. Okay. Okay, bro. This is begging, but like, dude, I haven't even touched the ball yet. Well, maybe once, but like, other than that. Brody, please. Easier. Okay, buddy, I'm wide open. Money. Come on. No. Let's play good defense. And now we're just camping the ball. Good defense. Nah, that was terrible defense. Yo, did birds get lost from me just going in a circle? It's crazy. Probably just gonna go to the third quarter today. Cause I can't really do 15 minutes worth of a video yet. Not really. I could, but I'm just giving it some time. So that's why we're just gonna pause, or not pause. We're just gonna end the video at the third quarter. So just a heads up. So if you guys just want to leave now, you can. Because the stream's, or not the stream, the video's about to end soon. No, don't like. Oh, got him lost. Bang! Still down 20 though. Oh my god, I was just camping the ball. Oh my god, that's annoying. That is annoying when I do that. Yep, screen him. Screen him. Oh, that was a good shot. Okay. And I'm just gonna get, I'm better than you, pal. Coming back to the screen. Yo, Brody, I'm wide open. And you pass it super late. Think I only have like 6 points. Yeah. Bro, please do not comment. Please do not comment that number. Please. I'm begging you. Please. I'm traumatized already. My friends be spazzing the number sometimes. It's just difficult, man. Oh my. Okay, I can't blame him. I just took a not the greatest shot. No. He made that. I can't do it. I can't do anything about that. No. Oh, I thought he was about to chuck it all the way down the court. Bro, I'm wide. Okay, to be fair, I did take a shot like that, so I can't blame him. Can't blame him. I'm gonna have to use it, guys. I'm gonna use this thing where you can just kind of move your character just by swiping, and you don't have to like. You get it. You get it. I got you, bro. Come on. I just don't want to be in Mercy before this video, or I don't want to be in the end of Mercy before this video ends. Don't let him score, bro. He made. What just happened? Did I just lag? Oh my god. Okay. Sorry for the terrible quality today. Bang! Only 9 points, but that's fine. I'm not really here for the points. I'm just here. I just like the game. And if you're a Basketball Legends OG, comment down below. Because I've been playing this since like 2019. I'm selling so hard. I'm selling. Oh my god, no. I see you. Oh, I gotta say big back. Oh, wait. I played with this dude before. Trust me, I've actually played with him before. He's not my connection or friend, whatever you want to call it. No, not today. Not today. Oh my god, bro. He doesn't hit the toll. Oh my god. That was embarrassing. Oh my god. Dang. Yo, I didn't even get one rebound. Some of these dudes need to go touch grass. That's crazy. 377,000 points. They need to go touch grass. They really need to go touch grass. Play some real ball. Basketball. Who's she gonna pick? Come on, Posty Anderson. No. Oh, we just can't lose. Plus, I'm not even gonna be recording for that long. We're probably just gonna. No, don't lag. Just close your eyes on that part, bro. That was just terrible lag. Okay, I'm probably just gonna get better than whatever. Number 19. Made that. No, stop lagging, please. Okay, I'm back. My bad. I just had to go get some water. Oh my god, there's so much background talking right now, man. I don't even know what to say. I'm trying to talk really loud so you guys can't hear it. No, don't lag. Stop lagging, please. For the love of God, please. Oh, okay. Well, I see the thing is, like, I'm gonna need you to kind of pass. Trust me, I got I think I got a 60-point game once. No, you. Okay, that was me. I was dumb on that play. Oh, okay, so I'm not getting the ball ever again. That makes sense. That makes total sense. Please. I'm wide. Please. Oh, now she's leaving too? Man, I'm done. I'll see y'all later. Peace out.